Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating your Care.com caregiver profile so you can connect with families quickly and efficiently. Follow these simple steps to get started. 1. Visit the Care.com website. Open your preferred web browser and go to www.care.com. 2. Sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email and password. If you're new to Care.com, click on Join Now to create a new account. 3. Complete your profile. Once signed in, navigate to the Profile section. Fill out all required fields, including your name, location, and a short bio that highlights your experience and skills. Families want to know who you are. 4. Add your experience. In the Experience section, list previous caregiver roles, including the ages of children you've cared for or any special needs experience. Be as detailed as possible to attract more families. 5. Upload a profile picture. Add a friendly and professional photo of yourself. A clear, smiling photo helps families feel more connected. 6. Set your availability. Indicate the days and times you are available to work. This helps families find caregivers who fit their schedules. 7. Check your settings. Ensure your profile settings are set to public so families can easily find and contact you. 8. Verify your background. Check. If you choose to undergo a background check, which is highly recommended, follow the prompts to get this done. It adds credibility to your profile and increases your chances of being hired. 9. Activate notifications. Turn on notifications to receive alerts from families who reach out to you or show interest in your profile. 10. Start applying. Now that your profile is active and complete, start browsing through job postings. Apply to families that match your skills and availability. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to connecting with families on Care.com in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.